Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to shop with coins on AliExpress. So AliExpress coins cannot be used to pay for your whole order, but you can use them to get some discounts at the checkout. Okay, so let's go to cart and proceed to checkout page. And you want to scroll down to summary section and find a line that says saved. And here you will see amount of coins that AliExpress automatically deducted to my item. But keep in mind that you can apply your coins only for products that support those type of discounts. So if I tap here, I will see that I used my 5 coins and that gave me this little discount. I emphasize that AliExpress automatically deducts specific amount of coins for your item, and you unfortunately cannot decide on your own how many coins you want to use for this or that item. And the rest of the payment still has to be made with a card, but coins help you save a little extra money. So that's how it works. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.